Golpan một xin năm mil sông lên ngài lu Giêsu na tha bồn thế idia ki kelu si na him idia Giêsu si na hi hằng thăng văn tông nem ba cái ô khôn ta ôm bi cả ngày lúc sinh ấy tiêu.
Yes, hello everyone, peace from Africa, peace to the all Northeast people guys, peace to the Kuki people, Chibai, Salam, Move. So today we have another reaction video guys by the title THANGVAN TONGNEM from Phalnu kipgen guys. This is like a wedding song guys, wedding song, praising song at the same time guys. So I usually react to the Northeast people guys, so in case you're watching from Northeast, whether from Kuki, from Manipur, from Shillong, Meghalaya or any state of the Northeast people, make sure to subscribe to this channel because we do reaction only to the Northeast people guys. And thank you for the suggestion. Without wasting time, let's check THANGVAN TONGNEM guys. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, start. Today I'm gonna sing for you guys because the subtitle is here. So let's sing together, let's enjoy the wedding song, let's praise the Lord together guys. THANGVAN TONGNEM Phalnu kipgen. Let's sing, I'm gonna sing for you. Ready?
THANGVAN TONGNEM không ai tìm Long se ngay lu ở sâu hi cả cha cái gió in ở đi lùng môn trăm môn ở tung se
Yes guys, let's sing.
Yeah, cái kêu si đời
Getting it.
THANGVAN TONGNEM ba cái ô khôn ta ôm bi cả ngày lúc sinh ấy tiêu.
Yes, I got it. Amazing guys.
No bu kim cô na thì nôm dân na ki gel si ho Giêsun hin tui do nan ati van cầm no nan ai hat sa Idia ki kelu si na hi Idia Giêsu si na hi hằng THANGVAN TONGNEM ba cái ô khôn ta ôm bi cả ngày lúc sinh ấy tiêu.
Song title THANGVAN TONGNEM by Phalnu kipgen, requested by Sean and Rimmy, edited by Kipgen.
Leia i hom thona lei kho zinna chom cha abo tôn sốt lên khôn nốt kim lâu chu Giêsu ta dân ấy ho a đi
favorite part.
Idea kigel sisi nahi. Idea shiso si nahi ham. Thangvan tongnem Thangvan tongnem pakat ohun kaumbi kangai lusing eiti.
Thank you for watching, man. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to her, guys. Wow guys, I'm really so proud of myself. First of all, guys, you know why? You know, it has always been so difficult for me, so hard, like to sing most of the Kuki song, guys, though they used to have the local subtitle there. But because one thing I know that when I started reacting to Kuki songs, Kuki music, guys, I never studied their language like the way I used to do to the Kasi people. Like when I started reacting to the Kasi people, I have started first by learning their language, the alphabetically and all the basic words. So it became so easy for me to know some words, like, okay, the pronunciation, because the words are written, the alphabets are written in English, but the pronunciation are not similar the way it is in English when it comes to Kasi or maybe Thadou Kuki language, guys. So maybe this is what I'm missing out with the Kuki people without learning their language in the alphabetical pronunciation way, so that it can be easier for me to sing. But today, I don't know, guys, you know, maybe I practiced this honestly. Yesterday the whole night I was listening to this song. I just love it. Like, I don't know, maybe the way it sound, the tone, and the like, honestly, like, this song is so easy for everyone to sing and more amazing. And I've been practicing since yesterday night, guys. It made it easy for me to sing. Like, I felt also good, like as if I know the Kuki language because of my practice. And this is really amazing. This is kind of this is a wedding song, and much having more of praising and thanksgiving to the Lord, guys. I really love this, guys. I think if all of the most Kuki gospel song used to be like this, I think I can easily sing it. And this was really amazing, guys. Thank you so much. Make sure to suggest what to react to it next. And also, I want you guys to write for me from this song your favorite part of this song. Write it in comment section. Write it in English, guys, because this song was not having English subtitle. I was reading from the Thadou Kuki language only, guys. So I also want to be part and to understand more deeply about this wedding or song of Kuki people. This is really amazing. Make sure to subscribe, stay tuned, and suggest what to react to it next, guys. And yeah, thank you so much.